Fay! You don't understand. Fay! Please. I really like you. You're amazing. It's... My family is old school and won't approve of me and Colin.
So you want me to be your pretend girlfriend? I'm not interested.
I wouldn't ask you to do it for free. What do you want? 1 million? 2?
No, I don't want your money. And I don't want you. And I never want to see you again.
Fuck.
And just like that, my fairy tale with Prince Charming was over.
You look pretty when you cry.
Oh my God, this is Daniel's father. The most dangerous man in the world, the Mafia King.